Okay, what is up my friends? Welcome back. So currently we're living in the age of handheld gaming PCs, consoles. I think they're mini PCs in my opinion. And today we have the MSI Claw and we're just gonna be unboxing it and comparing it a little bit in visuals and screen to the ROG Ally and Legion Go. So let's go. Ooh, so we actually got the carrying case in here. Let's open that up. Nice, I like that they included it in the box. So we have the case over here. It's got a little handle. Oh, that's nice. Okay, it's got foam in here, it's got little pockets. Your little balls in there, insert joke. So let's toss that to the side. We got the box over here, the MSI Claw. And you know, the thing I really like about this is that they ship this one with 1 terabyte. The Legion Go and Asus Ally, they don't really ship over here at least with 1 terabyte. And we all know that if you install Red Dead Redemption, Call of Duty Warzone, or any of those games, if you installed 2 or 3 like those games, your storage is full. So let's take a look at it. We have a little book. So they have been bragging about the grip, and I hope it has a good grip because, well, here it is in the package. Let's first see what's in the box here. So we have our usual books, our power cable, nice, and another power cable. This is a nice little power brick. It's 65 watts and power cable over here. So let's see. I think that was it for what's in the box. So let's put the box to the side. And here we have the MSI Claw. Okay, first impression. Oh, okay. Okay, that holds. That's a good grip. So, oh, these indentations. This is what it does. And the whole back panel is open, so I expect great cooling performance from this little device. But the grip is so much better than the rest. I always have the impression that if we compare this to the chunker, the Legion Go, this thing feels too heavy and it's also a little bit wobbly. You can't really see it, but you feel that there is little wobbliness to this. And as much as I love the ROG Ally, I think it's too flat. It has no place where you can like put a finger under so it doesn't slide out of your hands. But I don't know. This seems to be a little bit more bulky. How about height? Well, they're pretty much equal. This thing, the Legion Go, is really heavy. MSI Claw. Let's check out the back side. Let's turn them all over. See how open this is? So it should be susceptible to dust, but it should also allow for good airflow. So let's just boot it up and see what it does. Okay, so let's plug it in. Maybe do a little peel here. Nice. And let's boot it up. So it's also got an SD card slot. up there. It's got the buttons over here. I actually like this side better. So this one is in the middle. It's very hard to reach, so you actually have to reverse grip. And the Legion Go has them over here, but it's too heavy to really switch during gaming. So yeah, I don't know. I think this spot is the best. Oh, I might actually enjoy this one a lot. So let's turn the other ones on as well, just to see the screen. They're all pretty much the same brightness. Let's put it in English, even though we're Dutch. United States. So yeah, we have the whole setup. There's the box from all sides. And if you want to see some gameplay comparisons between the MSI Claw, the ROG Ally and the Legion Go, subscribe to the channel. I'll upload videos. I'll also do performance tests with FPS in the screen. And wow, this thing has good weight to it. Okay. So yeah. Oh, before we forget, if you're ever looking for a dock to use your device and play with mouse and keyboard or hook it up to an external monitor, this stand from Asus, link is in the description, supports all the handheld gaming PCs, and it's actually really nice because it supports 100 watt charging, even though these things go up to 65 watts, but you can pretty much charge anything with it. Hook up a mouse and keyboard and, wait, let me find my mouse, it's not here I think. Oh, here it is. And you can pretty much play with mouse and keyboard like this. So, link is in the description to this one. Also the MSI Claw, if you're looking to buy one, there's an affiliate link in. Doesn't cost you anything more. And before we forget, I just noticed that this one also has anti-reflection. Look at the screen. If we compare that to the Legion Go, if we can look at the reflections, see the difference? It's got an anti-reflective coating. It's the same for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, also has anti-reflective, and also the Asus Ally has anti-reflective coating. So let's put this on sleeping mode. Hello. There we go. Let's hold them side by side. Nice. So yeah, that was it. If you want to see benchmarks, gameplay, and so much more, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you around. Thank you.